Good morning. This is Megan Renihan with the Batesville School District. It is time for the Pioneer Update. The Pioneer Update is brought to you by Citizens Bank. They are people first, and that's wonderful because here at the Batesville School District, we are students first. This morning, I have the career coach from the high school, Miss Jennifer Pitts. Welcome and good morning.
Hi, Megan. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you so much for coming on with us today. It's CTE Month, and we want to celebrate our wonderful partnership with UACCB because they provide so many fabulous career-ready opportunities for our students.
Yeah, definitely. We've got several programs at UACCB that students participate in. Those start in 10th grade for some of them. Some of them are good fits for juniors or seniors. Lots of exciting opportunities for students.
That's wonderful. And what are some of the things that they can get a certificate of completion in?
Health professions is a big one. We have students that after one semester, they can be certified nursing assistants with the health skills class there. That takes their first and second period. Those students sometimes then will go on in the spring and do phlebotomy. So they're getting two certificates, one for a nursing assistant. In the spring, they pick up one for phlebotomy. If they add another course called medical terminology, they also can be a patient care tech.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then just right out of high school, they can go and earn a really, really solid living with no debt.
For sure. So we have some seniors that did that health skills class in the fall. They did their test, so they are now certified nursing assistants. So yeah, they could work now.
That's fabulous. And then shifting away from medical, what else do we have?
There's also an industrial tech program that students really like, and that has the welding class that's a part of that. Drafting and design is also in there. Cybersecurity is a really big one. We've had a few students. This was the first year for it. I was so proud. We had 3 Batesville students participate in that. I would like for many more students, if they're interested in computer science at all, that field is wide open. That class also takes first and second period for students. After 1 year, they can get a certificate of proficiency in cybersecurity.
That is so wonderful. Well, what I so appreciate is not only do we have the benefit of UACCB being right down the road, but we also shuttle.
Yes.
So that's wonderful for our students. They don't have to worry about that transportation because we take that on. And secondly, the facilities over there are spectacular.
Yes, they are excellent. They're all good. They also have a new facility for select the students that are in compact and heavy equipment. They're working on that now. You might have noticed across from the soccer fields, that building that they're building up, and that's where those students are. So for students that maybe would like to do a CTE class that doesn't have so much of a class component, compact heavy equipment that happens over there, they're learning to drive dozers and different things. Wow. And then those students will go on and get their CDL after they graduate.
Having these skills that these students have this opportunity to learn is so exciting because you're right, whether it's a starting point or where they're going to build their career, Batesville is such a wonderful place for us to foster that starting point.
Oh, definitely. Batesville's a very supportive environment for that.
Absolutely. And we thank you for leading those students.
Oh,
you have been a wonderful asset, and we're so excited to have you.
Thank you. I love doing it.
Yes. Well, and thank you for coming in today.
Okay. Thanks, Megan.
All right. And as we like to say, it's a great day to be a pioneer.